Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. Super excited because I have sparkles to dig into, my latest pieces from Ana Luisa, which I love. I've had a long-term partnership with them and I love, love, love their jewelry. It is amazing quality at affordable prices, unique styles, wear resistant, tarnish resistant, water resistant, all the things. We're going to dig right into this. And then I also have a Stitch Fix. These were all my picks, so we're going to get right into it. As you know, it is gift giving time, and these are going to be some perfect ways for you to start to check those people off your list. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have sleepy sidekicks like to hang out with me. Zena is the tan, Wyatt is the white puppy dog. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around for long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Let's dig into my Ana Luisa first. If you need that special gift, Ana Luisa is the way to go. As well as if you just need to top off or have that extra sparkle added to your holiday outfit, Ana Luisa is going to do it for you. They have all the pieces you need to create magical moments. So starting at $39 and above is their pricing. They have amazing sales going on right now. You're going to want to check them out. So up to 30% off site-wide, up to 35% off site-wide if you are a LUXE member. And what does that mean? So if you remember from my last video, what that means is that if you sign up as a subscriber or a member of the LUXE, it is $39 a month, and that $39 you can use towards pieces of jewelry. It's a win-win. And you get extra discounts. So up to 35% off if you're an LUXE member. Amazing deals throughout their sites. They have fine pieces as well as the everyday more affordable pieces. They have it all depending on what kind of gift you're looking for or what kind of piece you would like to add to your holiday outfit. I've chose 3 of them here that we're going to dig into right now. Let's do this. So everything is carbon neutral, sustainable products that they use. I love that. I have 3 new pieces in here that I selected, and let's do this. Check out this adorable little box. Do you not love that? So the first item is the Thatcher ring. This is a band ring, gold band ring. $75 is the regular price. Check out the sales. And it comes in sizes 5 through 9. It is 14 karat gold on brass, cubic zirconia. How pretty is that? And it is all the way around. Let me take this little tag off and show you what this looks like. I love this. So pretty, right? I think this could also be worn on your thumb if you wanted to. I do love a thumb ring. So cute, right? Perfect gift. Keep in mind, I know you're going to want to keep all of these pieces for yourself, but you can also, at these prices, grab them for all of your friends and family. Next up. All right. This one is a hoop. How beautiful are these? I love an easy, simple hoop. This is the low medium gold hoop. It also comes in silver if you prefer silver. The regular price for this is $85. It also comes in a smaller size if you prefer a smaller size. This one's called the low medium, but there's also the low small. Pops right open just like that. Easy peasy. So nicely made. Do you not love that? This is an Ana Luisa piece here too. I love their ear cuffs. If you haven't grabbed any of them, grab them. They also make amazing gifts. Do you not love that? Let me put the other one in. This one is 14 karat gold on sterling silver. So cute, right? I love a great hoop. And these are simple. You can wear these to spice up an outfit every day. You don't have to think about it. These are could be your regular go-tos. All right, I have one more item. This one is the statement piece. I didn't even wear jewelry today because I could not wait to put these pieces on for you. So my last item is a necklace. This one is called the Aspen necklace, and it is a large paper clip necklace, and I don't know about you, but I love the paperclip necklaces. And Ana Luisa offers them in all different sizes. So I suggest grabbing one as soon as possible. Again, another amazing gift. If you want more of a statement, this one will do it. You can see how big those links are. They offer them much more small and gentle, like more delicate. And they have them in between. So you can go delicate, you can go in between, or you could go with this bold statement right here. They actually have one called the Laura, the Laura paperclip necklace. I think I'm gonna have to go for that one next. And they would be perfect as layers. So, so pretty. Has the lobster clasp, has extra room here, so you can make it a little shorter or a little longer. In the picture, they actually show it, stacked, which I really enjoy. So I love a great necklace layer. This one is so, so pretty. And it is 14 karat gold on brass. Such a fun statement, right? You really don't need anything else. And I do have to say, if you have any fun charms that have the little clips, you could clip them onto any of these and add it. So, so pretty. That's my Ana Luisa jewelry. All right, we're going to talk more about it. But again, I'll put my link and all the information down below for the pieces I share with you from Ana Luisa. Shop their sales, grab your gifts, grab something special for yourself, and top off that holiday outfit. Speaking of holiday outfits, let's get into my Stitch Fix. So I think by now we're all familiar with Stitch Fix. 5 items, keep all, get 25% off. $20 styling fee comes off anything you keep unless you have the style pass. They have the option to just shop as you go. So a great way to pick out pieces for your holiday outfits as well as shop for others. Just buy straight from their site. You have 30 days to make sure everything fits and return it if it doesn't work. They have lots of sale items. They have lots of holiday styles. You can shop by brand or category. I highly recommend checking out all of the amazing styles they have directly on their site. But you could also request a box as a gift. So you could gift it to somebody else. You could gift it to yourself. You could also ask for items that you want to give out as gifts. So you could ask for 5 pieces that maybe you pick out 2 for yourself. The other 3 you're asking for as gifts for others. So Stitch Fix is another great option to have somebody else do the shopping for you. Bag on the top to return anything I don't love and don't want to keep. You get one paper now that tells you notes from your stylist, pricing sheet as well. And I have an amazing stylist. Her name is Janina. This is my 153rd fix. All of these items are items that I picked from my preview. So she didn't have to pick any this time after she got the preview to me. Let's do this. First bundle. This is a sweater from Pistola. It's called the Evelyn Oversized Cardigan. I thought this was really nice. It's heavy. I thought it'd be cute for winter, cold months, but even as you head into spring to layer, keep it or gift it. I thought this was adorable. I also like the black and white, but the pattern adds a little bit more visual interest than normal. Next bundle. This is all the rest of the items. You can get shoes as well as accessories in Stitch Fix. I didn't get any shoes this time. I picked all clothing items. All right, so I loved this one. This is the Waffle Stitch V-neck sweater by Nick and Zoe, but the color is what got me. I thought it was such a pretty, pretty color, and of course I loved that it was a V-neck. Can't wait to try that on. Do you see like that waffling going through it? Not too heavy, it's a nice layer, but you could also put a jacket over top of it. Next up by Vero Moda, this is the long sleeve V-neck button cardigan in this awesome like purpley color. This is so super soft, and check out these fun buttons. Aren't those cute? They have like a little bit of like white in there. I love this look. It has a little bit of gray or black running through it. So, so soft. Add that to a skirt or even denim and you're going to look dressed up. All right, so then I decided to try this Sammie high-rise utility denim skirt. If I'm not mistaken, I believe I got it in black, a black version, very similar to this. And I did not keep it. I thought the fit was a little bit off, but I wanted to try it in the denim version. So here it is. It has the slit in the front, these patch pockets in the front or pork chop pockets. crotch pockets in the back. So I'm excited to see how this fits. I think that would be a cute outfit for the holidays as well. If you don't have to go somewhere super formal, you're staying home, this would be a great way to dress up your outfit. And then I have, for my last item, the Tucker Buffalo Check Jacket by Z Supply. And this is a cozy. I wish you could feel this. It is so soft. So this is that heavy piece that you throw on over top of whatever you're wearing to give you some warmth if you have to be outside. Then put a vest on top of it and you are set. This is so cute. Pockets at the top, button styling. Look at the soft fur-like fabric. And it's in a neutral. So that's why I thought this would be great, because it's a nice neutral you could put on top of anything. Those are my pieces. Let's get to this try on and see what works. First outfit, I have on the Pistola cardigan and the Pistola skirt. I threw on Stitch Fix shoes from Vince Camuto that I got in a prior fix. I'm loving the pattern play here, but you could also go with a booty, which would be adorable, in just a black or a neutral, or pop a color. I think there's a lot of ways you can wear this. Let's start with the skirt. I'm actually really enjoying this skirt. It is a little thicker, so I think it'll be a nice weight for the colder months. You could throw high boots underneath here, booties, or a mule like I have on right now. The fit is really, really nice. I do feel like I would need to wear a little bit of a heel with this, which is why I grabbed these. I think when I wear flats, it doesn't look good on me. I feel like it's just something with the dimensions doesn't work, but I think I would probably wear something with a heel anyway. Slit's not too high, very comfortable, plenty of room to walk. Super adorable. All right, then this cardigan. So this cardigan is bigger than I had expected when I picked it from the preview. You can see it completely covers the tushy. It is thicker, so it's a really nice weight. You can wear it open. I just threw a little cami on underneath it, or wear it closed. No pockets. I'm kind of enjoying this big design. I feel like this would be really great with anything. Black pants, denim. It's just a nice like boyfriend style cardigan that has some weight behind it. Would be nice and cozy. I'm enjoying it. All right, let's talk about these pieces. The Pistola Sammie high-rise utility denim skirt in indigo. I'm wearing a size 2, which is my normal size, 168. The Pistola Evelyn oversized cardigan, so it did tell me it was oversized there. I must have missed it. In black, extra small, 168. And then how awesome does it look back to my jewelry? I'm loving all these pieces. It's like a great outfit. I'm ready. I think this would be a great holiday outfit if you have dinner with friends as you're heading up to the holiday itself. This would be awesome. Shopping, this would be a great outfit as well. Ana Luisa does have free shipping within the US, affordable shipping everywhere else, and don't forget that 2-year warranty. Let's do another outfit. Next up is the Vero Moda cardi. This is so soft. It doesn't even feel like you have it on. It's just so soft, cozy, comfy. It has the banded wrists, buttoned front. I did a little front tuck. It's very easy, flowy. I'm really enjoying it. I left the tank on, but you wouldn't have to. You could wear this by itself if you wanted. It's a shorter but not too cropped. It's covering the whole waistband of the pants and then of the skirt and then some. So you can see here's what it looks like out completely. So I enjoy a little bit of a front tuck just to draw some interest to the waist and create a little bit more shape. And I'm loving this purple color. You guys, hopefully it's picking up on camera. It's really pretty. But it picks up flecks of gray and black and almost a little bit of white in there too. So this one is the Vero Moda Finny button cardigan in dark purple. I'm wearing an extra small, $58. I'm so in love with this next outfit. All right, so all I did was switch out the topper, which is the softest little shirt jacket that you didn't know you need in your closet. So soft, love the neutral, incredibly warm, cozy, but I feel like it brings an elevated look. Kept on the skirt, of course, because that's my only bottom in this box, and then threw on a fun boot. So this is a much more casual look than the other one, but still I think elevated, great for the holidays. If you're not doing something really dressy, but you want to show up looking put together, maybe it's at home, you want to be comfy, this is the outfit. What do you think of this one? I'm really enjoying it. Yes, another one. So I'm actually enjoying all these pieces. Imagine that, I did pick them all. So warm and cozy. So if you are doing something that where you might be outdoors, indoors, this would also be great for that as you get ready for all of your holiday events. Okay, so for the Z Supply Tucker Buffalo Check Jacket in taupe, I'm wearing an extra small, $159. We have one more item to get to. Last item is the Waffle Stitch Sweater by Nick and Zoe. Like I mentioned earlier when I opened the box, this color just really works for me. I love it. It's so pretty. Works so nicely with the jewelry. So pretty. With the jeans, it gives it more of a casual look, or the denim bottom. The skirt elevates it a bit, I think. Put on a dressier bootie, but a bootie all the same. I really enjoy this outfit as well. I love pieces that you can wear for the holidays, but that you can wear every day after that. So it's not like one-time occasion pieces. So I do think all of these will be great for every day as well. But dress them up for the holidays. Ask your stylist at Stitch Fix to put together a box for you for gifts. Pick a couple pieces for yourself. Pick 3 items you can give as gifts. Easy peasy shopping, one and done. Check out the Ana Luisa site. You're going to love these pieces. One for you, one for somebody else, right? All the sales, shop them. Let me know what you think. I absolutely adore this sweater as well. They're calling it a sweater. It feels like a top. It's the Nick and Zoe Waffle Stitch V-neck sweater. I'm wearing an extra small, $138. All 5 pieces, $691. If I buy all, I get 25% off, bringing it down to $518. Otherwise, keep what I love, send back what I don't. I honestly loved all these pieces. I think everything was fabulous. Let me know what you think. The jewelry just adds that touch that you need. Remember, right now it's on sale for up to 30% off. If you're a Luxe member, then you get up to 35% off. Loving this ring. Perfect as a thumb ring as well. Earrings every day, go-tos. I love it. Let me know what you think. I will list all these items down below for you in case you would like to request them from your stylist, or if you would like to shop the Stitch Fix site for them. Go freestyle, right? Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Check out Ana Luisa. They're up to 35% off. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.